Alright, today I got something really cool to unbox. You ever seen rappers, entrepreneurs, or anyone just flexing big flashy jewelry? You've probably seen this before. The diamond money sign. This symbol has a deep history, and today I'm going to break it down while checking this insane piece in hand. So let's get into it, the unboxing, the history, and what the symbol really means in the jewelry culture. Let's go. Okay, first things first, we're going to do the presentation. The box is simple, clean, nothing too crazy, but we're not here for the packaging. We're here for what's inside. All right, I'm gonna show you guys this, but it has some good bling to it. 10 karat gold, yellow gold. Diamonds are hidden pretty nice. Good craftsmanship, stones are well set, and it's definitely not a lightweight piece. Let me give you guys a closer look. Let's see if I can get this. As you can see, the light bounces off of it, nice. Now let's talk about what makes this symbol so legendary. So where did the money sign actually come from? A lot of people think it's from modern flex, but its origins go way back. The money sign is believed to have come from the Spanish currency in the 1700s, merging the P and the S from pesos. It's been a symbol of wealth, power, and success for centuries. Fast forward to the hip-hop era, and the symbol took on a whole new meaning. In the 80s and the 90s, rappers started rocking money sign chains as a status symbol, showing they have made it. Artists like Biggie, Jay-Z, and Lil Wayne turned it into an icon of hustle and success and coming up from nothing. Even outside of hip-hop, the money sign represents financial freedom, ambition, and making money moves. It's not just about flexing, it's a symbol of the grind. And when you throw diamonds in it, it just takes it to another level. It's like saying, not only did I make it, but I made it big. Now that we've got the history and the influence down, what do I think about this piece? Honestly, it's a bold statement, but if you're wearing this, you're making it clear you believe in wealth, success, and showing off. What do you guys think? Would you wear a diamond money sign, or is it too much for you? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you like, subscribe, and stick around for more jewelry unboxings and deep dives. And until next time, let's keep shining.